How's it going, everybody? I am Jason Howard, and today we are doing a unboxing of the Saramonic WM4CA wireless microphone system. Now, as I mentioned in a previous video, I'm going to be attending PAX East this year, and I want to have a wireless mic system to conduct interviews with game developers and just random individuals I may meet on the convention floor. So yeah, let's get into this thing. Now, this product is not new. It's been around for quite some time, and it has a lot of great reviews via Amazon. A lot of folks on YouTube have reviewed this product, and overall it's pretty good. So I'm wondering if this product, well, has already been opened, but okay, let me get into this. So there's the documentation. Here's the receiver. Hard plastic. I'm seeing fingerprints already. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. There's your slot for batteries. It's the only thing that sucks about this system, in my opinion. You have to have batteries for this thing. And here's your 3.5 to 3.5 shoe mount. Wow, very plasticky feeling stuff, guys. All right, so I can get the antenna out of here. There's that. Kind of hard to bend there on that edge. And here's the microphone. There's your slot for your batteries, your on-off switch. Feels light. It certainly feels like if you're not careful and you drop this thing, it could break. So just keep that in mind. So what you're hearing now is audio coming directly from the Saramonic wireless microphone system. In my opinion, it sounds pretty good. I did have to play with the volume levels in the camera and the receiver, and I think I got it at the best level I can get it without it clipping or sounding distorted. Now, if you're thinking about buying this system, there are a few things I think you should consider. The first being that the system does not come with built-in rechargeable batteries, so you will have to provide AA batteries or pick up some rechargeable batteries to keep this thing going throughout the day. The second thing you want to consider is the build quality of the microphone. Now, I'm not saying that it's bad, but the body is made of plastic, so if you are using this and you are switching your hands, you notice that because the body is plastic, it's going to pick up every little sound. So if you buy this microphone system, while you're using it, make sure you have a firm grip on the microphone so that you're not picking up any sort of noises that may come from your hand or jewelry that is knocking up against the body of the camera, the body of the microphone. So something to consider. Other than that, I think this system is great. I haven't tested this microphone system outside, but again, that's not a concern of mine. I will be using it on the convention floor at PAX and when I do interviews in the future. So I will adjust the volume, and hopefully if you guys watch it, you'll be able to hear what it sounds like when I'm on the convention floor at PAX. So yeah, that's all I got. If you guys have any questions about the microphone, leave them in the comments below. And if you like the video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more, subscribe to this channel, and please subscribe to my gaming channel where I'll be doing all of my PAX East coverage for 2018. I'm Jason, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.